Hi everyone, and welcome back to Be Successful, your favorite development channel. I know this series is a little late, but I finally managed to find the time to show you how free trading bots provided by KuCoin work. We all know how much artificial intelligence has begun to become present in our lives, so we couldn't postpone this video. I will present to you these bots as they are, with risks and opportunities, with good and bad. As you will see in this video, there are several types of bots provided by KuCoin, but today I will show you how the bot for DCA works and how you can start putting one to work for yourself now. If you don't have a trading account on the KuCoin platform yet, pause this clip and make an account in just a few minutes using the link in the video description. The bot that I will present today, as the name suggests, makes for us the dollar cost average. That is, we set a certain currency that we want to trade, we choose the amount we want to invest in each transaction, the time frame at which we want these transactions to be made, and the profit we want to obtain. Once these settings are made, bot does everything for us. I made the registration on the phone because I use the app more often and I am more familiar with it, but there is of course the option of using the desktop for those who want. Let's open the app and get to work, but before that press the like button to make sure YouTube bots do their job and send this video to the whole universe. Open the Trading Bots section, and you will see that you can choose from a list of 5 different bots. Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Smart Rebalance, Infinity Grid, and our friend, DCA. As I said today, we will talk about DCA Trading Bot. Click on DCA Trading Bot, and then at the bottom of the screen click Create. At the top, the first thing you can choose is the currency pair you want to trade. You will see that you have a fairly generous offer to choose from, and all available currencies can be traded only on par with USDT, the only stable coin available on the platform. Once you have chosen your favorite currency, you have to choose the amount you want to invest in each transaction. This amount refers to USDT and must be integers, without decimals, starting with 1. At the next position you can choose a maximum amount to go to this bot, which once reached, the bot will stop trading. I personally do not use any limit. The next parameter you need to set is the time interval at which you want the bot to buy the currency you set. You can choose from 1 hour to 2 weeks. If you choose the value of each investment to be $1 and you want the bot to make a transaction for you every hour, you will need $24 for each day the bot will work. For the date of the first investment, you can set the desired time, or you can leave it like that if you want to start immediately. Then at Advanced Settings, I always set the target profit to 5% and check the second option, that is, once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. This means that when the market value of all the coins bought by the bot until that moment is worth 5% over their purchase value, the bot sells all the coins and automatically marks a profit of 5%. At that moment the bot closes and deactivates and the money automatically reaches your trading account. If you want to continue with that bot, you have to create it again. So the bot will buy at the time you choose, the currency you want, the amount you set, and at any time it can sell everything for the profit set by you. The bot will do that and mark the profit automatically. Now let's take a look at the results I have achieved so far with these trading bots. I started using them in December when the markets were at historic highs, so I used these bots with the market declining, and as such, some of them are now down, but that does not bother me at all. I did not lose any money still. I just have to wait for the prices to return to the level set by me for configuring the bots, and then I will take the desired profit. As you can see, the app gives you a very clear graphical representation of the last 90 days and the results you have recorded. In the last 90 days I have not used these bots. I put them on break. I wanted to not participate in the whole descent, and to continue the purchases when we are closer to the bottom of the decline. So only recently did I start putting bots back on. That is why the decrease of the portfolio created by the bots is decreasing in the last 90 days, because the market has continuously decreased and the bots have not made DCA. If we look at win rate at the bottom, we can see that the gain rate we obtained is 71%. Respectively, 53 bots reached maturity recording the desired profit, 14 bots were closed at break-even point, one was closed at a loss because it contained e-gold and I needed that e-gold for an Elrond lottery, and 7 bots are still running waiting for the market to return. You can see here a history of closed bots, and it can be seen quite clearly that no losses were recorded. Considering that these results were recorded during the market decline, I consider that they are very good results and that extraordinary results can be obtained when the market goes sideways or up. One thing is important to mention though. I recommend that during this period you use only safe currencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum for bots. No matter how much the value of the currency you choose decreases, you don't lose anything as long as you don't sell. But if you choose the wrong currency to invest in, and it disappears in this bear market, you will lose all your money. This strategy will produce you almost guaranteed money. It depends on the settings you make for the bot, the chosen coins, and the time horizon you have available. Don't think that the corrections have already passed. Be prepared for the market to fall further and even run out of funds for your bots to continue working for a while. The bot can mark profit just as well after a few hours if the market goes up, or in a few months if the market only goes down. The advantage of this trading bot is that, no matter how much the market decreases, as long as you have money to give it to work, it will constantly lower your average purchase price, so that at the first more serious increase you will mark profit, even if the price will be much lower than the price the coin had when you started the bot. You can open several bots in parallel for several coins or even for the same coin. The maximum number of bots that can be used simultaneously on a trading account is 10. Trading is no longer for people. Play smart, let artificial intelligence trade for you and make money. This is only the first bot presented, the safest, but also with the most modest results. I am going to present you the other types of bots that you can use, but which are a little riskier. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and please let me know in the comments if you knew about these bots or if you found out for the first time now. Send this video to your friends, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Until next time, take care of your money.